Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year, happy new month. I'm here today to introduce you luxury UTIQUE face oil from FM. This oil is full of vitamins, antioxidants, and it provides nutrition, hydration for your skin. This oil is good for face, also good for nails, help grows nails. And I normally apply this oil when I'm going to bed in the night, and I also use this for daytime, mix it with my cream for daytime. Guys, this oil is a great gift for friends and family. You can get this oil from my website. I will send you a link. Those who have my contacts, I can send you a link. When you use this oil, guys, it helps moisturize your skin, make it soft, make it really looking healthy. It's a good gift for your loved ones, friends and family. Sometimes people eat anything, apply anything in their face, and when it comes to face is a skin that is always outside all the time, so we need more natural products for our face to keep it moist and prevent wrinkles. So I recommend this oil for all my viewers and all people on my contacts to buy this oil. You will love this oil and you will enjoy it. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Bye.